Welcome to the 7-Day Alignment Journey, the heart of Module 2, Aligned in the Everyday. This section is designed to help you build a simple, soul-aligned rhythm one day at a time. Each day you'll be guided through a short 5 to 6 minute audio session. You can also watch them as videos that are embedded right here in the lessons. These are like your daily alignment anchor, grounding you in presence, intention, and awareness before the rest of the world pulls you in 1,000 directions. You don't need to do these first thing in the morning, but if you can, it's a beautiful way to set the tone for your day. Here's what you'll find in each lesson: a themed audio practice to help you root, align, and rest, a simple reflection prompt to guide your awareness inward, and 2 micro movement suggestions, one gentle, one energizing, so you can embody the energy of that day in a way that works for you. You'll also notice a single alignment cue for each day, one word or phrase to carry with you as a reminder, something simple like soften, clear, or celebrate, a word to return to when life gets noisy. There's no pressure to be perfect. You can go through the 7 days in order or revisit the ones that speak to you. Each one is a doorway, a chance to pause, breathe, and come home to yourself. And remember, alignment isn't about getting it right. It's about building awareness, one breath, one shift, one day at a time. Take your time, trust your rhythm. Let's begin.